There's an evaluation button here. So you notice that anytime there's a grayed out field is inactive. Anytime it becomes orange, it becomes active. So this field, end of test evaluation, what that does is it forces the test step to run to its completion. Normally, if you have a part that decays greater than this value before the end of the test step timer, the test is going to stop. And that's so that you don't waste valuable production time. We stop the test, allow the part to be taken off, and test another one. But if you need to evaluate and see just how much of a failure it was, we can turn that end of test evaluate on, and it runs that timer to its completion. It'll still keep track that it failed, but now it shows you how much greater it failed than what the decay value was on it. There's an advanced function, and in the advanced function we have some extra functions for options that got added on, primarily the electronic regulator. The standard machine is a manual regulator. Well, you reach behind and set the regulator. Once it's set at pressure, you don't need to move it. But if you have multiple tests at multiple pressures, you could have the option of an electronic regulator. Each test could go to a different test pressure. So there are controls on the electronic regulator to allow you to tune the fill curve of that. We have some customers that don't want a stair step of pressure hitting their part. They want a nice smooth transition. And so we allow you to change some control feedbacks to make a nice smooth fill or stair with a stair step kind of a function. That would be right here for the electronic regulator controls. KP, KI, and a percentage of feedback. Think of it like the KP is the throttle on a car, and the KI is your reaction to that throttle. So as you get up to speed, how much do you feather off the pedal to stay at speed? Do you let off the gas? Do you make quick reactions, or do you slow your reactions so that you get up to speed and stay nicely at speed? That's how you can think of these two values. The percentage of the value is what percentage of the fill time do you want these values to work in? Those are all selectable. Again, you touch the value field, enter the value you want, and now it's entered.